All right, guys, got a fish on. Let's see what we got. Come on, fishy. That is a nice smallmouth, guys. That's a big one. That's a good sized smallmouth right there. Look at that bass. Wow. Easy, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Check that smallmouth out right there. That is a beauty. It's a beauty fish right there. Wow, got a 2.54 pound smallmouth bass right there. Pretty fish. Caught that here on the Penobscot River, here in Orono, Maine. We'll get this back in the water and let this go. Beautiful fish though. 2.54. Fin gone. That's awesome.